In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge databases in Notion. If you are managing multiple databases and want to consolidate your information into a single organized location, this process will help you combine all your data efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to merge two Notion databases seamlessly, keeping your workspace neat and making it easier to manage your information. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Notion workspace and locate the table you want to merge data into. This will be your main database or source table where all the consolidated information will ultimately reside. Identifying the correct source table is essential because all data from the other database will be moved here. Next, open the second table, which contains the data you want to transfer. This is the table that will be merged into your source table. Having both the source and secondary tables clearly open makes the process much smoother and prevents any confusion during the merge. With the second table open, select all the data inside it. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+A, which highlights all the rows and columns in the table at once. This keyboard shortcut saves time and ensures that no entry is accidentally missed. Once selected, the rows and columns will be highlighted, indicating they are ready for transfer. After selecting the data, look for the three-dot icon at the top of the menu that appears. This icon, usually displayed as three horizontal dots, opens a menu with additional options for managing your selected content. From this menu, choose the Move to option. This allows you to relocate the highlighted data to another database within your Notion workspace, offering a quick and flexible way to consolidate your tables. A search window will appear, prompting you to select the destination for your data. Locate your source table, which might be named something like Overall Sales Source or the specific name you have given it. Click on it to designate it as the destination for the selected data. Notion will then move all entries from the second table into your source table. Finally, go back to your source table and review the imported data. Verify that all entries have merged correctly and check that no data was lost or duplicated. Performing this quick validation ensures that your consolidated database is complete and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully merged two Notion databases into one, improving your workflow and keeping your workspace more organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.